Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to win at Monopoly Go. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So winning at Monopoly Go takes a combination of strategy, luck and smart gameplay. Here are some tips that can help you win at Monopoly Go. So the first is focus on property sets. Aim to complete property sets as quickly as possible. Property sets allow you to collect more rent, which increases your cash flow. Prioritize high rent color sets like the dark blue, boardwalk or park place, or orange New York Ave, Tennessee Ave, St. James Place sets which tend to yield higher returns. Develop properties wisely. Start building houses on complete sets as soon as possible, focusing on high traffic properties. Once a property set is developed, rent can multiply. Make it a strong income source. Aim to get 4 houses on a property before building a hotel for maximum rent without risking bankruptcy if someone lands on it. Number 3 is keeping an eye on the jail strategy. In the later stages, jail can actually be beneficial because you avoid landing on the other player developed properties. Try to stay in jail as long as possible in the late game, rolling for doubles rather than paying to get out. Trade strategy. Number 4 is trade strategically. Be willing to trade properties to complete a set or break up opponent plans. Don't just accept any trade. Make sure you're gaining more in long term than you're giving up. Number 5 is match your cash carefully. Always keep a reserve to pay rent and avoid bankruptcy. Avoid overspending on houses or properties if it leaves you cash poor, as this makes you vulnerable if you land on opponent's expensive property. Number 6 is watch opponents' properties and finances. Be aware of opponents where opponents are on the board and their properties to predict what might benefit you. Exploit their financial weaknesses by changing them high rent on developed properties, especially if they have few funds. Utilize the special dice on game cards. Special dice rolls and power-ups can provide boosts. Use them to target high rent properties or evade costly lands. Play event and chance cards strategically to help yourself or hinder opponents. Number 8 is timing your mortgages. Don't be afraid to mortgage less useful properties if you need quick cash. Unmortgaging later on is expensive, so prioritize unmortgaging properties in high traffic areas. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.